And today in this video we are talking about how to modify strings. Like we can any strings we can convert them into lowercase, uppercase, or replace the strings with something else, or split them into substrings kind of things, or a lot of other built-in methods or operations you can call them. So I'm not gonna go in all of them in this video obviously, but I will just go in a very few of them, like a very common used. But if you need more details, I'm going to leave a little link in the description. Then you can just go click on it and just go to, or you can just go yourself directly to Python official documentation. Just write straight that strings operations or string methods and stuff, and then you will see a lot of these built-in functions that will help you, and then you can obviously get a lot from them. So we're just going into a very basic ones in here in this video. For example, here we first thing we're going to make one string. For example, we go a equal to, just write hello world, right? So in this string we are going to convert, so simple is that print. Now if we do a simple print, it will come like that, hello world. It's me, Junaid. Or you can just write hello world, I am learning Python. Okay, so now just do refresh this one. So you see if you do the print and it comes to hello world, I am learning Python. So if you want to make this string into all in uppercase letters, all you have to do just put a dot and you have to write upper and itself. So there's come a little parentheses there, like a built-in function. That's exactly where you have to do it. And if we try to refresh this one again, and now you can see, look, the whole the string we got here is in a small letters, but here everything just turned into capital letters. So for example, if you want to write something else, please help me with some issues, and if you do this again, so again, look, whatever you write in there, as long as you have this upper command here, built-in function, it will turn everything to uppercase. So if we go to, for example, now we have we're going to get here a new variable here, and we're going to write, for example, everything in a big letters, or you can just write one big letter, hello world, it's me again, it's me again. You could just write few words in smaller, few in bigger, doesn't make any difference. But so if you're going to make it in a lowercase, so all we have to do, again, print statement, parentheses, then you have to select the variable, which is b dot, you need to go this time lowercase. You see my compiler already know all these built-in functions, and it should automatically, it should work for you as well. So if you're going to execute this command, and look, now we get all this thing here again is in bigger, hello is bigger, it's all mixed upper cases and lower cases, but look, it just returned executed the command and again everything in a lowercase. This one, okay, so now we have another command which you could do, is remove the white spaces. What does that mean? So let's, for example, make another here another string. So hello, I am Johnny, live in UK. So here you have one space, you have one space here. Okay, so now if we go and print, so all you have to do is print as usual, you know already this. So you need to select the variable x dot, and you need to write strip. You see again that strip is already my compiler, he know what I'm trying to do, so he give you the hints. If we execute this one, So what happens here, let me actually try to write so what happens here, if you, because you see here there's a little one space here and there's a one space here, but in here obviously we can't really see the space, but what we can do, if we try to find out if it did actually work, we can go print, and we can go len of x, right? Let's do this and then we will know, because len of x is going to count even all these spaces as well. So now you see you have 21, and if we are going to do this one now, and then we say hello, I am Johnny, live in the UK. So at the moment here, because this print command is before this dot split command, so if we do here again now a new len of x, we will says x. It's going to get rid of all. I'll just try that, and we want to understand. Okay, it should work. I don't know why it's not showing that, but it usually get rid of these white spaces here. That's how it works. The dot strip. If you need more information, just go have a look on official documentation. You will know more about this. So let's move to the next word, which is a replace a string. So for example, if we remove this one, replace a string. So again, we go a is equal to hello world, I am Johnny. And if you're trying to replace that one, so we go print, select the variable, dot replace, and how you want to replace it. For example, we're just trying to replace something. I am, for example, the name is Johnny. I'm trying to replace Johnny into John. Try to replace that. Yeah, okay. Let's execute this one. So now you see here, hello world, I am John. It does not say Johnny because we have the command use built-in function dot replace. So that way you can use a one single word you can change, or you can just change the whole thing. So for example here on H, we could just write hi. So here you can see now the H is replaced with the hi, H-I-E. It doesn't make really sense, but what I'm trying to say, hope you understand. Okay, so the next one, split strings. If you go here, for example, we make another variable, hello world, it's me, Johnny. Okay, so now if we are going to print, so we need to going to split this one. So split again, first thing we have to do is take the variable down, then we need to use the word split, and we need to use, that's it, because we are trying to, how we are trying to split. So I mean, all these words, obviously everything will be split into a substrings, but how you want them get separate. So we got here a little comma, this one here, which you can use any other symbol as well. A dot split should work. We'll try without. Okay, yeah, that's it. So now you see here, when you use the word dot split, and it just separate everything, and it converts it into a list. That is a different topic we will talk about later. But you see, all the word hello is in a separate substring, world is a separate substring, me, and there are many more other strings which you can know about. Let me just write down a couple of them here. For example, it goes index, then you have encode, capitalize, capitalize. There was a center, probably used to bring a center in the middle. Capitalize basically to bring a first letter, bring a first letter of the string, make it capital. Like here is a H is small letter, you can make that one into a string. Then you have a count. So in the count one, obviously you're just going to count all these characters, how many characters are in there. And yep, that's all. If you need more information, please just go to the official documentation on a Python, or then you can just see, just write string operations or string methods, and then you will see all the methods. There are like quite a few of them. Okay, that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.